So let's look at these three examples involving repeated addition. So we want to rewrite each addition statement as an equivalent multiplication statement. So remember, the word equivalent just kind of means the same as. The most common symbol for equivalent is the equal symbol. So what we have is 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. That's repeated addition. I'm repeating the same number over and over again. So if I want to write it as multiplication, what I have to do is determine how many groups there were. So we have to count each 8. There's 1 8, 2 8, 3 8, 4 8s, 5 8s, 6 8s. Since there's 6 groups of 8, we write that then as 6 groups times then however many 8s there are, or actually, remember, it was the actual number, so there are 8 in each group. So 6 times 8 means there are 6 8s, or 6 times 8, 6 groups of 8. So again, remember, when you write a repeated addition problem, you count how many times the number is repeated. So since there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 8s, we put that first because that tells you the number of groups. And then you're going to multiply by the actual number, because the 8 itself represents how many are in each group. So let's look at the next example. To rewrite 11 plus 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 11. Since that's repeated addition, we can write that as a multiplication statement. So again, notice how multiplication becomes very powerful. This is a very long addition problem, but it turns into a very short multiplication problem. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 11s. So write that as 9 times 11. So we have 9 groups of 11, 9 times 11. So if I look at this next example, 25 plus 25, notice how we have 2 groups. So we have 2 groups of, or times, 25. 2 groups of 25, 2 times 25. So a lot of times you'll start hearing that word of to slide in there, and that of is going to be a cue also to mean to multiply. So if we start to see this word of, that's going to be a cue for this symbol right here, the multiplication symbol. So you'll pick up on that pattern as well. So hopefully that helps you recognize that repeated addition has a shorter way of being rewritten, which is our equivalent multiplication statement.